In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule emails based on your recipient's time zones. The first thing you want to do is use an email marketing platform that actually supports this feature. Not every tool handles time zone-based delivery the same way. So before you build anything, check that your platform includes options like send by time zone or optimize. Send time. Common platforms that may offer this include MailChimp, HubSpot, ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, and Klaviyo. If you're using Kit, you can start there, but the overall process is very similar across most email tools. Next, build or import your email list. You can upload contacts from a CSV file, sync them from a CRM, or collect subscribers through forms and landing pages. At a minimum, make sure each contact has an email address. If your platform supports it, location data or IP-based information can also be helpful, since that gives the system more context for identifying where your recipients are located. After that, enable time zone tracking if your platform offers it. Some tools detect this automatically, while others require you to turn it on in the settings. Look for options such as subscriber time zone, auto detect location, or geolocation tracking. This step matters because the platform needs a way to determine each subscriber's local time before it can deliver your message accurately. Once that's ready, create your email campaign. Write your subject line, design the body of the email, and add any links, buttons, or calls to action you want included. Take a moment here to review the content carefully because it's easier to make edits now than after the campaign is scheduled. When you're ready to send, choose the scheduling option instead of sending immediately. In the scheduling area, select the setting that says send by recipient's time zones or deliver based on local time. This is the key setting that tells the platform to stagger delivery based on where each person is. Then set your sending time. For example, if you choose 9 o'clock a.m., the system will send the email at 9 o'clock a.m. in each subscriber's own local time zone. That means someone in New York gets it at 9 o'clock a.m. there, someone in London gets it at 9 o'clock a.m. there, and someone in Manila gets it at 9 o'clock a.m. there as well. This helps your message arrive at a more relevant and convenient time for every recipient. Before confirming, review everything one last time. Make sure the time zone option is turned on, the correct campaign is selected, and your email content is final. Then schedule or confirm the send. After the email goes out, monitor performance. Pay attention to open rates, click-through rates, best performing time zones, and engagement by region. These insights can help you improve future campaigns and make smarter